There's an openness. My name is Carmen Argote. We're here in the neighborhood of Boyle Heights in Los Angeles. I feel like I'm affirming my belonging when I walk. I do call it like this creative frequency that I can kind of get closer to, so that whatever was blocking me gets to have its energy released during the walk. Being in public space is a really powerful act. I affirm through my walking that I belong in public space. When I take myself out on a walk, I'm like, oh, this is like so romantic. I take myself out on a walk, I'm like, yeah. I'll have this desire and impulse, both physical but also spiritual impulse, to walk and be in that sort of state where I feel energy is flowing through me and I'm connected with the land and the place that I'm in, and I feel attuned. I think about art as almost like an attunement, like a radio station that I like tune into, like a frequency. Painting with avocado became almost like an affirmation that I was here. Like I kind of feel like it begins with eating it, having it be part of my life, and then oh, maybe I'll put it on my hair, maybe I'll put it on my skin. Let's have it go into the art or on the paper. Like there was something in my body that felt that it was alive, and that kept me interested. I would start with the head and use my hands to go into the neck, and then the span of my arms was gonna inform the shoulders. It actually really shaped the proportions of the figure. And that's how I was able to almost keep those proportions from one piece onto the next, because they were in relationship to my body. And that's how my body kind of came into them. I did not pre-draw or pre-plan the figures. When I begin the process, they sort of emerge and they happen in that moment. So, you know, if it would have been a different day, the figure would have looked differently. All this labor needs to happen so that I can go into these moments where there's an openness. I don't have a lot of set structure, but I'm always busy. This is where like my chickens come into play. Like today, I was feeling a little bit ungrounded. So today I was like, okay, I'm gonna be out with the chickens. And that's what I needed today. Every day is different, so this process gets almost like reevaluated every day. But the walking is really important at some point in my day. So these other things kind of help me get some grounding, because I think that's the thing that happens with no structure. So even if I don't get to be in the studio, but I walk, I feel like I was in the studio. There's so much unknown until the artwork begins to show me what it is, and then I can say, oh, I recognize you, I see you. Artwork teaches me how to live and how to grow into myself as a person. That's like really why I do the art that I do.